Hi guys, I'm Vasundhara. First and foremost, I would like to thank Blog to Connect to give me this platform so that I could reach out to you guys. I'm going to talk about finding your passion and why is it so important. I'm a fashion influencer and I'm a law student. So I'm going to take you through my journey and the struggles that I've faced to find what I actually want to do. Everyone wants to do something that they love and to extract happiness out of it and to make money out of it. It sounds like a dream life, like an ideal life that all of us want to live. But the problem here is we don't know what our passion is. After my 12th standard, I was not very clear in my head that what career path is meant for me. So I just did a normal degree, a very basic degree, BCom Honours in Finance and Accounting. During my graduation, I really liked law subjects, so I thought maybe that's something I could pursue. So currently I'm doing my 3-year law degree from Symbiosis Law School, Pune. I'm in my final year, and towards the end of the first year, I realized that, this is not giving me 100% of happiness and this is not exactly what I'm actually meant for. So I'll tell you where the idea of fashion blogging came from. Since a very long time, I've been wanting to get into fashion related things. So I'll tell you, since childhood, I loved getting ready. I loved putting a lot of makeup on, and I was one of those people who used to dress up out of the box wherever they went out, like each time they went out. Yeah, that was me, and I loved getting ready. So people used to compliment me, that I really like your outfit, or love your style. So such small compliments actually gave me a thought that maybe I could do something in fashion. But off the top of my head, fashion designing was the thing that I had knowledge about, and I thought that fashion designing is not meant for me. I can barely draw something, let alone design. So I knew fashion designing wasn't for me for sure. Post that, I started watching fashion content and fashion videos that had recently come up in our country, and I really aspired to be one of those. I loved watching them, and I thought that maybe I could do that someday. However, I didn't have the confidence, obviously, when you start out suddenly going out of the box with your fashion sense in front of so many people on social media, your own family, your own friends, so it gets a little bit weird there. And then updating about your life on social media, putting up stories, going live. And the most important thing that you don't even know what the result is going to be, how people are going to react. What if you get negative comments? What if you get hate? And what if you're not as good? So all these things just stop you from taking it ahead. And when I was past all this, finally, during the end of my first year, I realized I should start with fashion blogging. I should not give it any thought. I should just start it. And once I started it, I can't tell you how happy I was. The entire process, I really enjoyed it, like thoroughly enjoyed it. It gave me a lot of happiness, and the sense of contentness and satisfaction was what I felt once I finished my work. It wasn't a cakewalk for me either. I'll tell you an instance. So during my first professional shoot, I thought that what's the big deal about it? It's fine, I'll just go, I'll have to pose, and I've been doing that all my life. Like I keep telling my family members, my parents, my friends, my siblings, like take a picture of me each time we go out. But once I was in front of the camera, shooting professionally, I realized I was trying to give expressions and poses that I see other fashion influencers or models give. It wasn't that easy, and honestly my face looked constipated somehow, I don't know. And then I realized that okay, expressions and all of that, for fun, taking pictures is different, but it does not come that naturally. You have to practice it. It might be natural for a very few people, so it wasn't that for me. I started posing in front of the mirror, and I started practicing expressions that suit me. Each and everything is visible in front of the camera, so you need to see your body language, the outfits that suit your style, your hair, your makeup, your face, your expression, which pose, and all of that. These might sound very small details, but these are very big details to pay attention to in this field. Anyhow, I started with fashion blogging. I started maintaining a balance between both the fields like law and fashion blogging. So on the days when I knew that I wouldn't have time to shoot, like I have exams coming up, or I have internship, or I have a lot of work, internship work pending, so I would create a lot of content beforehand so that I have enough to post and maintain my consistency. So yeah, I did keep a balance between the two of them. I still am. It can be challenging, but I think it's definitely going to be worth it, and it's your call to prioritize whatever you want. That's how I went on, and truly loved the process. It's amazing. Like, I enjoy it to little bits, and I enjoy every part of the process, getting ready, shooting. It's just my thing. Like, I feel that it's something I look forward to, and when I say that, I'm not joking. I actually look forward to working. On days when I'm not feeling well or I'm low because of whatsoever reason, I don't think that I would go back to my books or look at my books or do any drafting work that would cheer me up or make me feel any better. So instead, I would just come up with some impromptu random idea, and I would take my tripod out and I would just start shooting. By the end of the day, when I am done shooting, I am finished with my work, I feel so satisfied and productive. I feel like, wow, it's such a good day. It has been a good day. It cheers my mood instantly, and I really feel good after that day. Like, instead of sulking at something that did not deserve my time, or even if it did, I did something better and something more useful, productive. I feel that time has been utilized well. So I actually look forward to shooting. And okay, so I should stop blabbering now. That's about me. That's how I found my passion. It is definitely a hit and trial method, but I think you should definitely go for it. You should lose your fear. You should take that risk, and you should take that step forward and start doing whatever you love. And if you're good at it, you should definitely pursue it. At least you will not regret it sometime later in your life that you did not try it or give it a try. Don't we all look up to living a life like where we can earn money out of something that you actually enjoy doing and you're good at? So I think that is what you need to find. It is gonna take some time. It might take a lot of time, but when you find it, have that courage, take that risk. It's gonna be worth it.